So I'm going to explain briefly how the plasma launcher that CDG made works, and I'm going to explain how I'm going to try to recreate it, upgrade it, and so on and so forth. So you need an electrical kit to be able to experiment with electrodynamics and magnetohydrodynamics and other electrical stuff. You also need to be able to experiment with breadboards and high electricity arcs. That's really fun, specifically pulsed arcs so they can build up. I don't really know anything about breadboards, so this experiment is going to be fun for me. Basically, certain gases become ionized and turn into plasma, and then when they're ionized even further under certain conditions, they create sparks, which is basically magnetic field collapses from high static electricity on a microscopic scale. Basically, it's magnetohydrodynamics. You know those weapons that the Reapers use? Yeah, that. It's also comparable to the likes of a TNT cannon because all you're doing is taking low voltage and upstepping it and igniting gases basically with magnets and high pressure air. The difference is I'm going to use magnets, torsion. I'm going to experiment with different theoretical and fringe concepts on published sciences. Because he basically just shoots slag, ionized slag, right, from little gaps of magnetic collapses, right, the sparks, which ionize, they turn into slag. But if you could find some way to take all that slag and close it in, you could turn it into, well, what do you think, a blaster, plasma weapon, right? And part of that has to do with magnets, and I do believe photoionization, as I just showed. Anyway, I just wanted to make an update video to let everyone know how this works. Peace.